Hello guys, back with me Regita. Today's video I will be different from the previous videos because today I will be cooking in the rice field. Curious what I will cook? Let's go.
First, prepare ingredients. There is salt, sugar, flavoring, ginger, garlic, chili, oil, and chips. Next, add all the ingredients. Don't forget to add seasoning. Then grind the ingredients until smooth. I like the fire first, and here I use a traditional stove, namely how. Prepare a pan and fill it with clean water. Wait until the water boils. Finally, the water is boiling, then add oil and chips. And wait until cooked. After a few minutes, I check and it was cooked. Heat the oil until very hot. Then pour the hot oil into the spices that are already smooth. Then enter the chips that have been boiled. And next, mix it together. Finally, you can enjoy it.